If you're wondering if you can completely remove the white borders around the icons of your iPhone, so in this video I will give you the answer to this question. So the short answer is no. There is no possible way to remove the white border around the icons of your iPhone because these white borders are a new feature in the new iOS 26, which is called liquid glass. And with this feature, it will give you a liquid glass-like effect in the UI elements of your iPhone. Now there are some settings you can enable to minimize the liquid glass effect, but you cannot completely disable it. Now to minimize the liquid glass effect, just go to settings, and in settings, just tap on accessibility. Under the accessibility settings, just tap on display and text size, and from here, just enable reduce transparency, and as you can see, after you enable this toggle, it will reduce the transparency effect in the UI. And also you can enable increase contrast. After you do that, then go back, and in the main settings page, just tap on display and brightness, and from here you will find a feature called liquid glass. Just tap on it. Now instead of clear, just select tinted. Now just select turn off and use tinted, and as you can see, as I select tinted, the liquid glass effect will be removed and it will become a bit tinted, as you can see in the preview. Just like that. Now, after you do that, you will minimize the liquid glass effect in the UI, but you will not completely remove the white borders around the icons. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.